How to delete games on Xbox Series S. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to effectively delete games from your Xbox Series S console. So the process is simple and won't take too much time, so make sure you pay close attention and follow along carefully. Removing a game from your Xbox Series X or S is a breeze. To start, head to your game library, select the game you wish to delete, and then find the More Options button located at the lower right corner of the screen. Use your controller to press the button with 3 lines, granting you access to a range of additional options. From the menu that pops up, choose the uninstall option, confirm your decision, and the game will be promptly uninstalled, creating more space for new downloads. Keep in mind that uninstalling a game will erase it from your storage, but it will be linked to your account, enabling you to reinstall it in the future. Simply log in with your Xbox account on any console to view your game library and reinstall any games you had previously uninstalled. By following the simple instructions, you can easily manage your game collection on your Xbox Series S. If you found this tutorial to be useful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.